won't be doing the crazy jumps, eh, James? Wheels on the ground.
I don't know why those carbon brakes, man.
If that was an aluminum rim, I wonder what would have happened.
Oh, it would have fucking detonated. I would have been
Yeah.
pieces everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I've done spokes on carbon rims, but not.
Yeah, it probably would have broken in half. It would. Feel the quads. Nice. Nice work, Landon. Jesus, this thing's a crusher. on that. This thing's a crusher on that trail.
Yeah. Hummer.
Yeah.
Oh, nice pull, Scotty.
That was sweet, guys.
Good train, man.
That was a really good train. Yeah.
I set that on the highway in second gear.
Yeah, you were out of gears on.
Nicely done.
Yeah.
I love that top bit though, going into fun.
I haven't done that little section for a bit.
Yeah, neither have I. That's nice. We just had to miss organ donor altogether, right, Scotty?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
right. I guess it does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And you miss the crowd of people either climbing or going down. Like, you know you're not running anyone.
And that's where everybody is today,
This is
right
a fairly
there.
busy section that you miss.
Yeah.
Right? Not a bad way.
Yeah.
All those intersections. Oh, that actually had like some shitty Heartland flow.
Yeah.
I know,
Yeah.
right?
Bikes felt good.
It's about as good as our flow gets.
Didn't want to high post that.
No,
No.
no.
You'd still be waiting for me.
Yeah.
Some more trail out. Stab you first kind of thing. And
Yeah, might as well. Whatever you guys want.
Palmer,
Yeah, yeah. Let's do it.
we're
Go ahead. Fine, man. Oh, I know, but I don't have the burner when you want to go. It's not that bad, but
It's not bad, but gears are a good invention.
crazy.
Yeah.
I feel like I still use my post more though.
Yeah.
Like I think I've touched my post more than I've ghosted.
Yeah. Yeah. No, I fully agree.
I agree.
that makes it a shitty bike. Not diesel.
So what little line did you take in that switchback, James? There must be a little hidden gem in there.
Looks like a bit of clearing. Straight shot. Maybe I get Scotty, but I thought I'd get mine.
Yeah. Conditions are good too.
Not bad, are they?
Yeah.